So if you found this video, you're probably wondering what the correct tire PSI is on your Ford Ranger. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to tell what the manufacturer recommends the tire PSI on your Ranger truck. So if you look at the tire itself, there's a rating on the tire, and it'll be like a maximum tire pressure rating. This tire it says 44 PSI by the manufacturer. So the tire manufacturer says you can put up to 44 pounds of PSI on this tire. But often the auto manufacturer recommends a different PSI than the tire manufacturer to make the vehicle ride a little bit better, so it isn't so stiff going down the road. I'll show you where to locate that. So if you go into the driver's side of your vehicle, your Ford Ranger, and you open the door, there should be a sticker on the driver's side door jamb, and the sticker will tell you a few things. It'll tell you the tire size for the front and rear tire, and it'll also tell you the PSI that the manufacturer recommends on the vehicle. So on this 02 Ford Ranger, the manufacturer recommends, it looks like 30 PSI for the front and rear. So for some reason, if that sticker has gone off of your truck, you may be able to find that setting in the owner's menu as well. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And thanks for watching.